if the fault with the machine is that there is no power to the main vacuum motor, but the drive assembly and LEDs still function, then the following areas should be checked. Dismantle the product and remove the motor from the bucket. With the motor removed, check to ensure that the live and neutral wires are securely attached to the terminals on either side of the motor assembly. If there are no loose connections between the motor wires and terminals, check to ensure that there are no loose connections between the motor and the terminals themselves. Also, have a thorough check of the motor for any signs of wear or damage to the commutator, brushes or windings, and carry out a resistance test across the motor.